understanding the phrase, Cooking Goose, an English language explainer. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, cooking goose. This phrase isn't about cooking at all. It's a metaphor used in different contexts. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this intriguing phrase. The phrase, cooking goose, has a historical background. It's believed to have originated from a story about a Swedish king. The king, unaware of an approaching enemy, was cooking a goose. When he was warned about the enemy, he confidently said that the enemy's goose was cooked, meaning their defeat was certain. This story gives us the essence of the phrase, a sense of impending doom or defeat. In modern English, the phrase is used to indicate that someone is in trouble or their failure is imminent. For example, if someone says, "John's goose is cooked if his boss finds out about the mistake," it means John will face serious consequences. It's a colorful way to express that someone's situation is irreversibly bad. While cooking goose is a popular phrase, there are variations like, "Your goose is cooked," or "His goose is cooked." Similar phrases with the same connotation include, "Up the creek without a paddle," or "In hot water." These expressions also imply being in a difficult, often inescapable situation. So, that's all about the phrase, cooking goose. It's a metaphorical expression signifying trouble or defeat. Remember, English is full of such colorful phrases that make the language vibrant and interesting. I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of English. See you in the next video.